don't even have anything to measure the fish. I don't have anything. This is it. This is Chris right here. This is Chris Craig written all over it. Is this real life? Is this real life? Biggest catfish I've ever caught in my life, and I don't have a scale. I don't have a scale. Shit. Well, it is just before daybreak. It's 5:57 and I am catfishing. I gotta go in early to work tonight after 2 days off, and I figured I'd get out here a little early and see if I couldn't catch something. I don't know, not had a whole lot of luck at this one spot, you know, fishing for catfish with rod and reel for whatever reason. This is actually the same spot that I caught my personal best catfish on a jug. Now, why I can't catch them on rod and reel here, I don't know. But I figured get out here early and see what we can catch. I got 2 poles with live bluegill on them and 2 other poles with cut shad on it. Shad is frozen, but it's pretty fresh. I caught it 2 days ago and froze it when it was still alive, so it ought to be pretty good. But we will have to see. No action yet. A couple bites on the shad, but nothing crazy. It's a bunch of gar in this spot, so it's probably what it was, but hope for the best. See what happens. Oh my gosh. You fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Barely hooked. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. This has got to be the biggest catfish I've ever caught. Woo! Don't do it. I'm going to try to take very good care of you, okay? But I do want to wait. Oh my God, I can't believe that. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Where is that thing? Do I have it? Oh, where's it at? Oh no. This is tragic. this is the worst thing in the world. Oh no. Fall back here? I just don't see it. I have no idea. God bless. This is a tragedy. This could only happen to me. Biggest catfish I've ever caught on rod and reel. By far. I'm pretty sure that's bigger than the catfish I caught the other day that was 22.5 pounds. And I don't have a scale. I have no clue where that scale is. I gotta get some pictures of this fish so I can put it back in. Fish, ain't the fish's fault. That's for sure. Alright, I got some pictures. I'm about to let her go because I don't have a scale with me. She's big. Definitely the biggest cat I've ever caught. I think she's pushing 30. I really do. Alright, let's let her go. I can't believe I didn't have a scale, man. Where's my scale? There she goes. Oh yeah, she's lively. She had me worried there for a minute. It's like she burped and then she took off. That's pretty upsetting that I didn't have a scale, but man, that's still pretty awesome, you know. I've wanted so bad this year. That's been my goal, to catch a catfish on rod and reel that was over 20 pounds, and I for sure did that. I hate that I don't have a freaking scale in the boat. Man, that just sucks so bad. But it ain't gonna take away the joy of that catch today. That's freaking awesome. I really think that catfish was at least 25. It was definitely bigger than the one I caught on the jug about 3 or 4 weeks ago, for sure. So I guess I'm gonna set my personal best catfish on rod and reel at 25. My personal best catfish total. That's awesome, man. And I really don't know what else to say about that. Is, you know, whew. I didn't even want to go fishing today, really. I kind of wanted to sit at the house and drink beer. You never, ever, ever know. You never know. That's awesome.